Hello students. In this video, we try to attempt to know how to use the Raoult's law equation. See students here, by using the Raoult's law equation, we can find the composition of the given mixture. Look at this. It is the problem of the in-text question. See students, the vapor pressure of pure liquids A and B are 450 and 700 mm of Hg respectively. Find out the composition of the liquid mixtures if the total vapor pressure is 600 mm of Hg. Also find their composition in the vapor phase. It means that we have to find out, see students here, there is a container containing A and B. This is the liquid phase. Liquid phase. Here we have to find out XA and XB. Then there are vapors here. There are vapors here. It is closed one. Here in the vapor form, we all have to find out mole fraction of A and B. Clear students? See students here. In the vapor phase, pressure of A is equal to mole fraction of A into total pressure. This total pressure is given by pressure of A and pressure of B. Clear students? So in this way we will have to approach. Let us see this now. This is for the second part. And for the first part, we have to use this Raoult's law equation. See students, total pressure is given, which is equal to mole fraction of A into P naught A plus mole fraction of B into P naught B. Okay. Here what is asked is XA and XB. They're asked. What is given? This is given. See students, it is 600 mm of Hg is total pressure. This is 600. Okay. This is XA and P naught A is given. P naught A is 450. 450 plus XB into P naught B is 700. 700. This is given and we will have to find out XA and XB. And we know that, see students here, we know that XA plus XB is 1. Sum of the mole fractions of any number of components is equal to 1. Here two components are there. Therefore mole fraction of A and mole fraction of B, sum of these two will be equal to 1. Therefore this implies that XA will be 1 minus XB. Clear students? We substitute this in this equation. Therefore 600 is equal to XA means we can write it as 1 minus XB into 450 plus XB into 700. Upon simplification, what we notice? 450 minus XB, 450 plus XB 700 is equal to 600. See students here. Upon simplification further, what we notice is this is like this and this is 700 minus 450. It will be 250. XB is common. Clear? So this is say 150. 150 is equal to 250 into XB and this implies XB is 150 divided by 250. 0, 0 get cancels. This is 5 3s are, this 5 5s are. This is 0.6. So this implies that mole fraction of B is 0.6. Therefore, mole fraction of A will be 1 minus mole fraction of B. This is equal to 1 minus 0.6. This is equal to 0.4. This implies that mole fraction of A is 0.4 and mole fraction of B is 0.6. Okay, this is the composition in liquid phase. Clear students? It is here. So here XA is how much? 0.4 and that of B is how much? 0.6. Clear students? Okay. Now we have to find out composition of the mixture in vapor form, vapor stage or vapor phase. Okay. And we notice that pressure of A in the vapor phase is mole fraction of A in the vapor phase into total pressure. Clear, students? Similarly, pressure of B is equal to mole fraction of B in the vapor phase into total pressure. Is it clear, students? Okay. Now, whether total pressure is given? Yes, it is given. Okay. Now, what is the pressure of A? Or see, students, here. Therefore, mole fraction of A will be equal to pressure A divided by, we can write it as pressure, total pressure. And this will be written as pressure of A will be, pressure of A divided by, pressure total can be pressure of A plus pressure of B. Therefore, we need to calculate PA. So, PA is equal to mole fraction of A into P naught A. This is equal to mole fraction of A is how much? A is 0.4. 0.4 into A is P naught A is 450. And this is equal to how much it is this? Say this is 5 for the 20, then 16, 18. This is say 0. That means it is 180. Therefore, PA is 180 mm of Hg. Similarly, PB is how much? PB is equal to mole fraction of B into P naught B. This is equal to mole fraction of B is how much? This is 0.6. So 0.6 into P naught B is 700. This is equal to 4200. This means it is 420 mm of Hg. So P naught A is this much and PA is this much and PB is this much. Now we can calculate, by using this, we can calculate 6 ones, mole fraction of A in the vapor phase. Therefore, mole fraction of A in the vapor phase is equal to pressure of A, how much it is? 180 divided by total pressure, how much it is? 180 plus 420. This is equal to 180 divided by, this is 0, this is 0, 1, this is 6. 600. Okay. This and this get cancels. Then this is say 18 and this is equal to 0.3. Therefore, mole fraction of A in the vapor phase is found to be equal to how much? 0.3. And we know that mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equal to 1. Therefore, mole fraction of B is equal to 1 minus 0.3. This is equal to 0.7. Therefore, mole fraction of A in the vapor phase, here in the vapor phase, mole fraction of A is how much? 0.3. And in the vapor phase, mole fraction of B is how much? 0.7. Let's students.